Hi, hi guys. So today I will be factoring this trinomial right here. So first is this multiply this by 2. 5x and the a5 i-multiply mo siya sa 2. So ang mangyayari 6x squared plus 7x magiging 10 na siya kasi 5 times 2 10. Then next is hahanap ka ng number na pag minultiply is 10 ang kakalabasan at pag plinas naman ay 7. So 2 tas 5 yun kasi 2 times 5 10, 2 plus 5 7. Then divide this by the original coefficient, that is 5 yun. So x plus 2 divided by 5 x plus 5 divided by 5 x plus 2 divided by 5, simplify lang, yun pa rin. Ito 1 na siya. Yan. 1 na siya. Then sunod itong 5 is times mo siya sa x sa first term. So ang mangyayari 5x plus copy na 2, then this copy x plus 1, and ayan na yung sagot, ayan na yung factor niya.